Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2002 ECE paper and the question is related to electronics. If the transistor in the figure shown is in saturation region, then the relation between IC and IB. A. IC is always equal to beta times of IB. B. IC is always equal to minus beta times of IB. C. IC is greater than or equal to beta times of IB. D. IC is less than or equal to beta times of IB. So the transistor can be operated in three different regions. Okay, look at this one. The transistor can be operated under cutoff region. Okay, or it can be operated under active region or linear region, and third one is nothing but saturation region. Okay, so in cutoff region, transistor will be in cutoff, so that collector current IC is equal to 0. In active region is also called as linear region. The name linear is nothing but output current is linearly proportional to input current. Whenever the transistor is in cutoff condition, at that time no base current is applied, so that no collector current. Whenever you start applying the base current, at that time as IB increases, now the IB value is going to be increases. By that time IC value is going to be increases, because IC is equal to beta times of IB. So as IB increases, IC also increases. So linear, that is nothing but the relation between IC and IB are linear. So IC increases as IB increases. So as you are increasing this IB, at one point, that is nothing but IB increases, IC also increases, that is nothing but linear region. But at one point IC becomes saturated, that is nothing but IC will become IC saturation, and after this point it no more increases even though you are increasing IB. So even though IB increases, okay, IC will become saturated. That value is going to be treated as IC saturation. In saturation region, IC is equal to IC saturation even IB increases. Remember that one. So the maximum value of collector current may be either, at most it is going to be beta times of IC saturation is nothing but this is going to be treated as the maximum value beta into IB minimum, the minimum value of beta required. Okay, so always IC value is going to be beta times of IB minimum, or it is going to be lesser than that one only. Okay, IB minimum is nothing but we can define like this: IB minimum is the minimum base drive required, minimum base drive required to keep the transistor in saturation region, that is called as IB minimum. So after this is nothing but at most your IC will be follows linearly till this point, and if you increase more than this one, at that time IC will not increase. So IC will be less than or equal to beta times of IB. At most it will be equal to beta times of IB minimum, and otherwise IC will be always lesser than this value. The right answer is going to be D. D is the right answer. IC value is going to be less than or equal to beta DC times of IB. Here it is IB is actually speaking it is IB minimum only.